Good day! In this video, we are going to try and solve question 3C, part 1 and part 2 of the 2021 NCEA Level 3 Statistics paper. It's called Probability Concept. So without further ado, let's try to read question 3C, part 1. Are the event, festival attendee, which is less than 25 years old, and the second event, festival attendee is mainly interested in dancing, independent. Support your answer with statistical reasoning. So the test for independent, probability of event A multiplied by probability of event B, they must be equal to probability of event A and B. If they are equal, they are independent. If they are not equal, then they are not independent. So we are going to bring back our table from the question 3A and 3B, and this is exactly what you see in question 3A and 3B. We have just brought the table back to this question. Okay, so we have done things, socializing others, and the total, and on the column we have less than 25 years, greater than 25 years and older, and then a total. And this table is exactly the same as part A and part B. So to do that, they ask you festival attendee is less than 25, so that is event A. Festival attendee is mainly interested in dancing, that is event B. So this is event A, so probability that is, so if we to convert this to this, it means that probability that is less than 25 multiplied by probability that is interested in dancing is equal to probability the attendee is less than 25 as well as they're interested in dancing. So now we're going to calculate each and every component and we're going to multiply them. So probability less than 25, so less 25, we're going to take this number here, 750 out of 1,000. So put in decimal, it would be 0.75. Similarly, if you want to find the probability that is interested in dancing, we go to dancing. So there's 564 out of 1,000, the 564 like dancing out of 1,000, that is 0.564. We're going to bring up a bit because they run out of space, okay? So now we need to calculate probability that is less than 25 and interested in dancing. Less than 25, interested in dancing in this area here, the probability is 510 over 1,000 is 0.510. So we need to know less than 25, which is 0.75, when they multiply by dancing, which is 0.564, are they equal to 0.510? If they are equal, then they are independent. If they are not equal, then they are not independent. So you put in the calculator, the answer is going to be 0.423, and that is not equal to 0.510. So we can confirm that they are not independent. Okay? So because they are not equal, we say that they are not independent, and that is how we are going to solve that question. So now we are going to do part 2 of the same question, question 3C of part 2. So we're going to bring it up a bit. Okay, so we're going to interpret your answers in part 1 in terms of the relationship between the event festival attendee less than 25 and festival attendee mainly interested in dancing. So the two events are not independent. Okay, so they are not independent. This means that the festival attendee who is interested in dancing does not depend on whether the attendee is less than 25 or 25 years or older. So the two events are not independent, so one event is not dependent on the other. Okay, so in other words, this is what written in the marking schedule. The proportion of attendee interested in dancing varies by the two different age groups. So they are not independent. That is how you answer. So you can answer this. Part 1 and part 2, you will get an excellent. Remember, they are not independent means one does not depend on the other. Cheers, everyone. Read the question again, do the question again, and hopefully you get an excellent in this paper. Cheers, everyone. See you.